الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الدين عند الله الإسلام صدق الله العظيم وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم بني الإسلام على 5 شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمدا عبده ورسوله وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة والحج وصوم رمضان أو كما قال عليه الصلاة والسلام. Honorable President, respected teachers, invited guests, and my brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I am going to speak a few words about Islam. Islam is religion of peace. It teaches us to believe in one God Allah and His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The holy book of Islam is the Quran. It guides us to be honesty, kind and helpful. Dear audience, the 5 pillars of Islam are: number 1, Shahada, faith in one God Allah and His Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 2, Salah, offering prayers 5 times daily. Number 3, Zakah, giving charity to the poor. Number 4, Saum, fasting during the month of Ramadan. Number 5, Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca once in lifetime if possible. Dear audience, Islam teaches us honesty, kindness, patience and respect for all human beings. It doesn't support violence or hatred. It promotes peace, love and unity. Let us all try to follow the true path of Islam and appreciation to Almighty Allah, His Messenger. Time is very short. That is why I am finishing my short speech. Thank you all. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.